Alright, y'all, come join up in here real quick. It's day 6. I feel marvelous. I mean, my sleep is incredible of this fast, you know? I mean, everything is good. I'm gonna work out right now, but I'm gonna spit some game real quick about Eyebright Herb. Alright? I don't eat meat, correct? I don't eat meat. Alright, anyways. Alright, this is Eyebright Herb tea. Now this tea right here, it's woodsy, it's aromatic, it's very good. But some of the benefits of this tea, right? It's used for things such as conjunctivitis, eye strains, red eye, itchy eyes, and styes. So basically, this tea is warm right now. So you'd want to take this tea, let it cool down, of course, strain it a little bit more, right? And then you want to wash your eyes out with this tea when it's cool. Now what this tea will do is begin to remove all mucus and inflammations and parasites out of the eyes, okay? That's why it's called Eyebright. Also, what you want to do with this tea or the Eyebright herb right here, okay? These are Lignans. This is the Eyebright herb. What you want to do with this Eyebright herb is want to drink it in tea, of course, grind it up in capsules, and take it. Of course, I use it in my green food, you know, for its rich chlorophyll properties, and plus helps cleanse the pancreas, and plus it helps with people's eyes, especially with the diabetics. See, the diabetics usually when type 2, especially when their vision starts going bad, it's because of real bad acidosis and stuff like that, and their pancreas is clogged. And so I use that in the green food to cleanse the pancreas and, you know, lower A1C levels and just basically cure diabetes in 21 days if people use the proper measures. So anyways, right here I got some key limes with some spring water with some key lime. What I'll be drinking, just a regular gas spring water. I got some key limes, you know, with some papaya seeds. I'm gonna drink this to cleanse the liver. Now down here, these are some Lignans also. So I'm like concentrating on a heavy decalcification detox. Hence you see all these type of things right here, meaning I'm pulling all the stones and calcifications off my bones, my body, everywhere. Okay, so that's why I'm doing like double up of the Lignans more. Usually I recommend 2 to 4 for everybody. I'm taking 6 to 12 every day, along with 6 to 12 chelations, and the rest of the bioferals, 2 to 4 of those a day, 6 testos, 2 sea moss and bladderwrack, and 102 mineral plus, and 4 green food. So basically that's what I've been on for the last 6 days. It's just a bunch of liquids in my herbal mineral compounds, drinking a bunch of tea, working out. But once again, the Eyebright herb, you want to use this for things such as itchy eyes, conjunctivitis, stingy eyes, weak vision. Like I said, you want to boil the tea, let it cool down, strain it, get you an eye wash glass or something, and begin to wash your eyes out with this tea when it cools down, so it removes mucus and inflammation. So you guys be blessed. Yeah, man. I'm out.